Hello guys. In this video, I will try just to speak about a subject. This subject is psychological. It means um, if you can't afford to lose, don't trade stocks. People think that there is like a magic formula whenever they buy a stock with certain criteria because of their strategy or because of someone else's strategy. They think, and in their head they have an idea that the proper way to make money in the market is when you buy a stock, you leave it, it goes up, and then for days or weeks or months, wherever, and they exit with the end of the trend, and they make a lot of money. And they think that other people are doing always the same thing. This is because you have a false idea about how trading is carried out. Professional traders, either swing traders or day traders or wherever, they don't buy and they are sure that this stock will go up. Okay? Some people claim, but people online, they say whatever they want to say. Okay? There are some people who have never traded in their life and they have channels and they teach people how to trade, and believe me, they have never traded in their life. You see their videos, you understand that they don't understand anything in trading, and if they carry what you see, if you follow them, you will lose money. Now you should think that when you buy a stock, there are three ways that the stock will go through. Either it goes up, make money, it goes down, you lose money, or it changes into a range. It means it goes up few days, goes down few days, goes up few days. So sometimes you are break even, sometimes you see some money, sometimes you lose this money, and this is called trading into a range. It means there is no real trend. Okay? There are just some people who buy, some other people who short. Some people who buy, some people who short. So in this kind of stocks, you can't make money. Maybe you can do day trading, yes, but not swing trading. So this psychological problem that you have, it comes from false ideas or wrong ideas that you have in your mind. That's why you are stressed out always when you buy stock. And if you lose little money, like $50, $100, $200, you begin to get stressed. Maybe you cry because you lose this kind of money. Okay? Because you don't understand the game of trading. Second thing is that when you have a small account, $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 for your account, it's a small account, and it's just because the small accounts gives you problems. Why it gives you problems and stress and the thing? Because first, you can't buy what you want. You see a stock that is good, $50 or $100, $70, $60. You can't buy it because you have little money. Okay? Now, what the other people do, since they can't buy good things, they go to penny stocks because they think they can buy more shares, and they think because they can go and make more money there because this is cheap. No, these stocks, they are not cheap. Okay? These stocks, they are expensive because the company that they represent is very, very small. It's a tiny company, and scammers and professional traders and some scammers, and they play with these stocks as they like. They can make it go up, go down, because the volume is so low and the companies are so tiny. Now, and there is another thing, mutual funds. Okay, they don't go and buy these tiny companies. Okay, because the company itself is small. A mutual fund with 100 billion, do you think he go to a company that it is worth 1 million? Okay, you understand that? They can't. So there's just the scammers who play, they buy and they sell, and the beginners, they lose too much money. So you should learn how to trade. Now when you learn how to trade and you become a good trader, you will have no psychological problems, and you be confident, you be independent. When you buy and you buy a stock, at night when you go to sleep, you don't think about it. Either it goes up, it goes down, you don't think about it. Okay? Because it is just a trade. It is not one trade that makes you rich or one trade that makes you poor. Okay? It's just one trade, one transaction. And you are doing a lot of transactions through the year. You are not doing one transaction. Okay? So, in order to be confident, to be independent, to accept the market, what does it give? Whatever is the result. When you buy a stock, whatever the result, you should accept it and you should go to the next trade. You don't think about it a lot. Now, if you are losing too much, it means that you have a problem. You are doing wrong things. You need to learn how to trade. There is no a shortcut for it. Someone just emailed me and they say, oh, can I make 30% of my trades? Can I make $700 each month? Can I make that? It means their questions are wrong questions. Although I accept any question and I answer any question that my subscribers or viewers ask, but I understand how they are confused. Okay? Trading is risky. It's not a normal job. Like when you are hourly rate or you are salary, okay, management, and you work 1 hour, you get $10, you get $15, you get $20, $30, or $50. You want that, and you find a job that gives you this. Okay? But trading is not. Trading, you buy a stock, you think that you can make $100. Few days you make 1,000, 2,000. Okay? So it's like magical. It's not something, it's not a normal job. And a lot of people, they think that trading is a normal job. Like you go in the morning and you come in the afternoon, or you trade in the morning, you trade in the afternoon, and you make money each day, you make money each day, you make money each day. These are false ideas that some people online, they try to expose, they try to do propaganda, they try to advertise that there are some people who make each day's money. As if they know everything about the future of stocks. So whatever they buy, they make money. Whatever they buy, they make money. This is ridiculous. Okay? And some people claim. Okay, they claim what they claim. Some people they don't even trade. They have never traded in their life, or they traded and they lost all of their money, or they lose. So they are teachers right now working for brokers. And most of what you see online are teachers working for brokers or working for themselves. Okay? So they can't make money from the market, so they make money elsewhere. So this video is just to show you that trading is risky. I know you know trading is risky, and all the people know, but you don't know at which extent it is risky. It is not a normal job. And I give always an example of any business. Suppose you have a friend and you ask him to do business with him. Then when he asks you, okay, I have project, I want to do a car dealer. Just an example. I tell him, oh, it's all right. Okay, I will be your partner. Okay, into this business, and I want to learn. Suppose that your friend has already owned car dealers, so he is well known and he has money. Now he asks you, how much money you got to do the business? Or you tell him, I have $1,000, $1,000, and you make this 1,000 like, and you have been saving for this for years to have this 1,000. So this is just because you have a vague idea. You don't know how businesses run. Businesses should have money to do business. If you don't have money, how can you do business? Okay? So your friend, you say, oh, I'm sorry, I can't partner with you because it's simple. You don't have money. So in order to do business, you should have money. If you don't have money right now, you should save, work second job, do wherever. But don't have $1,000, $2,000 and you want to make thousands of dollars each month. Okay? Because you stress yourself more. And you are always online looking at the people, oh, this man has made money, this man has money, and you don't make money. And you think that with this little money you can become a millionaire or become like Warren Buffett if you stay 10 years putting your money in stocks. This is the ideas that you find online, and they are false ideas, except when you get a luck in a stock. Okay? Luck. Just you put your money in a stock and you go 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, and you come back and you see that the stock go so wild. Okay? It happens in the market. But you can't, in trading or in investing, you can't do the same thing each time. Okay? Because this is only luck and hope. Okay? You are lucky. Just like a lottery. You put some numbers and you hit the jackpot. Okay? It's just luck. It doesn't mean that before you know that you win. Because you can do it again and again and again and again. Okay? You hit the jackpot once, that's it. This, if you hit the jackpot. If not, you will stay all your life like millions of people all their lives spending their money on lottery tickets, but they don't win and they die. Dreaming of when they win. Okay? Instead of saving money, doing other jobs, doing business, make more money, and then you do whatever you want in your life. You try to base all your life on lottery and on gambling. So you should live with risk in trading. Should live with it. Always there is risk. But the good thing is, in some stocks you make money. So you see that trading is real. Okay? Although it is virtual. Okay, when you buy stock, shares of the company. You see the company across the street, wherever company is, you see it, you go to it, you find a store, you find people, associates, you find cashiers, you find managers, general manager, you find some people there. Okay? And you go online, you find the symbol of this company and you find shares. When you buy shares, it's just virtual. This virtual shares fluctuate. It goes up, it goes down, depending on who is buying and who is selling. Okay? So you just buy a stock. Few days, you see some money. And you say to yourself, oh, this is a good job. But I'm telling you that this trading is not a normal job. Okay? Let's drink some coffee as usual. So, some people who are always crying and whining because they lose $50 or $100, if you can't lose, you can't be a trader. This is just a summary of what I say all. So, if you want to do this business of trading, You should raise capital, train yourself, correct your mistakes, get a training. At least you know what you are doing. Because when you get the general picture, okay, you know why you buy this stock. You know when, you know where to exit, where to put stop loss. You know how to manage your account. Okay? To see, it's like a business. You see your expenses, fees, commission. You see all that. It means you are running a business. You are running something virtual, but it is a lucrative business if you know how. Now, if you don't know how, what do? You do hit and miss. You buy, you lose, you sell. Okay? You buy, you sell. Sometimes you lose, sometimes you make money. Sometimes you break even. By the end of the year, since you don't know how to trade, you see yourself losing money each year. Some people, they lose all their money the first year or the first 6 months. This information, you find it in the Security Exchange Commission, and they give how the beginners lose money. There are only few people who make money by percentage. But few people, it doesn't mean they are just 5 or 10. No, there are thousands and thousands making money. And there are millions of beginners who are losing money. In order to change your situation, you should learn like them. There is no shortcut. There is no something you can do in 1 day or 2 or a month or 2, like a magic formula, and then you become a professional. Professional, you need to work on yourself, because your feelings, if they enter to your business, they spoil the business and you lose. So you should be calculating everything you do, and whenever you buy a stock, you don't predict that it will make you money or lose money, and you just use probabilities, and you can make money in the market. Thank you very much. If you have any comment or question, just ask. If you send me, you can send me a private message. Thumb it up or subscribe if you don't, and thank you very much.